420 Things Grow in Ontario. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. And today we're going over the full-on, almost 99% stuff from AC Infinity, the Grow tent. So shout out to them. Go over to their website, acinfinity.com. Use the coupon code. It's listed in the description because it changes from time to time. Which right now it's 420 Things Grow at this time of the video, but it could change tomorrow, so be careful. Check that link. I'll pin the first comment will be a link over to their site and all that stuff. So we're gonna get a full build cost here on this, but let's go over the items. So that is a T4 fan, an S4 fan, a T4, whatever you want, because I got a different controller. It's a little bit touch and go on what that really is, because you can interchange their parts. That's a cool thing with AC Infinity. AC Infinity fan, filter, sorry, a carbon filter. Now, I have two of them. So this is just me. I had this one, okay, and I couldn't, before I had this controller, I couldn't control, hey, I want this on just a little bit all the time, and then if it gets too humid or too hot, come on full tilt. But you can do that with this controller. So, but before I did that, I had this little small cheap fan, and it was just running all the time. Very low CFMs, got it off of Amazon, probably don't need it. But again, I won't put that in the cost, the two filters, because I don't really need it. But T4, 4-inch filter, some ductwork. You can get some ductwork at AC Infinity. This is some stuff I had laying around. So that's like the 0.1% that's not AC Infinity. The AC Infinity tent, which I have a video of this tent versus the Mars Hydro tent. This tent, far superior. One thing I really didn't mention in the video, which I probably should have, it's got a double layer lap over. So you're not getting any of the light come through, right? Because it does. Now that does get caught from time to time. As you can see, a little catch there, a little catch over there. But it's blocking light. So that's the tent. Then we have what we have here is for the T24. I'm not using that controller because I do have that controller out there. I have that light in here. Then we got the oscillating 6-inch fan from AC Infinity, right? And then I have two of these. This is just the first one I just put in here just to see the spacing and how it kind of stretches out. That's their trellis netting from them. And also, there's some AC Infinity ductwork, the black stuff. And then this is the controller, okay? This is let's say right here. This is the CTR 69A. So this is a Bluetooth connectivity, not the Wi-Fi, not the Pro, but this gives you control on 4 different items using their connection, right? So, like I said, 99% AC Infinity stuff. So, and all right, now we got the remaining parts from AC Infinity. So what we have is the AC Infinity cloth pots that have these nice rings for training. Cloth fabric pots. These are a 5-gallon pot that I'm going to be using. And these pots, up to 7 inches on here. That's that outer hole for the wick lines on the far end. And then you can do 5s as well. So I'm going to be doing 5-gallon pots, the cloth pots right here. And again, AC Infinity self-watering wick system. Does like the bottom third of the plant. So, yeah, I mean, this isn't an AC Infinity job. I don't know if it is or isn't, but it sure seems like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on pause. I'm going to go over to the website. I'm going to add all this stuff to a cart and see what the total is for all these items. All right. So we've added everything to the cart. Right, so here is the Iron Grid T24, $349. Cloud Lab 642 4x2 tent, $139. A 1 times air filtration kit Pro, which is the 4-inch inline fan with the controller, so you can control 4 things, and also the carbon filter and ducting. Okay, $199. $199, not $199. The Cloud Ray S6 oscillating fan, $49.99. That was on sale, but whatever the price is. This is all just the day I'm doing this is in December of 2022. So these prices are subject to change for sure, but this is what it is at the date of this. One self-watering fabric pot base. Wait a minute. One. Let's go look at that, because that is kind of misleading. I just want to make sure that it's not just for one, it's for four, a 4-pack. Oh, sorry. One time self-watering fabric pack, 4-pack, right? And then what happens is I added like an add-on to that, 5 fabric pots. Now these may be more expensive if you buy them on their own, but I did it as an add-on. That's why it looked a little funky. I wanted to make sure. I just couldn't see it there from behind the phone. But anyways, $79.99, so that's the 4 kit. You would only need 2, but again, you have 2 extras. And then I got 2 trellis netting for $23.98. So a grand total of $840.95. Then if you use the coupon code, right, 420 Things Grow as of today's video, but check the link in the description, you get $84 off. And then the tax, that'll be different for wherever you are, and shipping on top of that, right? So for under $1,000, under $900, but shipping could be whatever. There's a lot of items there. They're heavy, so I'm not 100% sure where shipping is, and depending on your location due to tax, that's giving a California, I think California 9.5. You may be lower, you may be less, but again, under $1,000, not bad at all. You can put that in a closet. You can put that in a small space like I have it. There's a lot of different things you can do with this grow. So this full-on grow, we're in December right now of 2022. I'm trying to figure out how to get plants in there and get a grow going. I'm going to do it very soon. Very soon you'll be starting to see what this whole setup can do. I did have the Ion Grid T24 going on some vegging plants that I had, and I kind of neglected them, and man, did they grow like snot. So I'm really liking that halo design of that light. So head on over to ACinfinity.com, check out their stuff. If you want a kit like this, less than $1,000, you can change the light. There's different lights, there's different, obviously different tents, different fans, blah, blah, blah. But this is a nice 2x4 setup. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like, subscribe, and do all that jazz. Yeah.